Meet Big Al. He's about to get his winter prep done. Figure we take a good look at him before he gets wrapped up for the winter. Working on the inside. Gonna cover underneath with Reflectix. Foam board will be used as the skirting. And the cover's getting put on. Just a quick look under the RV. We got our Reflectix up. We're sure to avoid any wires with the Reflectix tape. More to do. Alright guys, got the foam board up. It's not perfect. We might even get a skirt this year just because it's supposed to be a colder, wetter than usual. And in Montana it gets cold. Made a little thing for the access to the dump tank. We can still access that. But winter prep is about over on the outside. Time to work on the inside. More later.